Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to explain how to add Google Search Console to WordPress. It's a very easy tutorial. If you follow every single step and every single instruction which I'm going to explain over here, you will be fine at the end of this tutorial. So let's get started. So first of all, why would actually people use Google Search Console for their website? It would actually help you to show clicks, impressions and average position on Google search engine, and it also reveals with pages are indexed and fixes scrolling issues. There are sitemap submissions also helps Google understand your site structure for better indexing. And the last one is mobile usability, meaning flags issues for a smooth mobile user experiences also. It's like your website secret weapon for visibility and performances. So let's get started. First of all, you just need to click on start now, and once you click on start now, obviously you need to log into your Google account. Once you do that, make sure to select one of these. And I think URL prefix is one of the best way to do it, and people actually go for this one as compared to domain. So I'm going with this one. If you click on this, what you're going to do, just enter your URL over here. Which URL? Your WordPress website, right? So what you can do, go to your dashboard on your WordPress admin, and you can find your URL over here also, settings, and click on general. Once you click on general settings, you will end up over here. Here you can see this is my WordPress URL. If I go back and paste that over here now, click on continue, it will ask for checking verification. Wait for a while and it would take some time. After verification, you will end up over here. Here you can see we have other verification methods and we are going to use this one, HTML tag. But before we go further in this, what we're gonna do, we need to go on our dashboard again, on our WordPress dashboard, and here we are going to install a plugin. Click on plugin and click on add new plugin. Once you click on that, you will end up over here and search for all-in-one SEO. The first one you will find over here, and it has blue logo as you can see. Just click on install now. Once it installed, you can see you just need to click on activate. After activating all-in-one SEO, you will need to come back on your dashboard and find all-in-one SEO on the left side of the menu. You can see over here, we can find that over here, and hover over it and find general settings. Click on that and it would take you the place where we are going to paste something, and this is where you will find general settings. You need to click on webmaster tools, and after that click on Google Search Console. Here you are going to add that HTML tag. If we go back to Google Search Console, you will see that we have HTML tag over here. If I click on this, you will see that we have our tag over here. Just click on copy option over here, and after that go back to that page and paste that over here. Simple. After pasting HTML tag over here, what you're going to do, just scroll up and make sure to click on save changes. Once you click on save changes, you need to go back and click on verify. After that, your Google Search Console and your WordPress will be connected. And that's it. This is all you need to know how to add Google Search Console to WordPress. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.